So we are given this particular question falling under variations. It's a wonderful question, so I want to answer it. You see how I'm going to answer it, and those of you that are under my online lessons, this is a question that I gave you. We are answering it publicly with everyone. So I want you to be revising through and check the mistakes you were making. Y varies directly as the square of x and inversely as z. Y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 4 and z is equal to 24. Find the first question you are taught to find the value of k. This k is called the constant of variation. The first thing you need to get to understand is how to interpret this first part up to here. Have you seen? So y varies directly. So y varies. Y, the symbol for varies is this one. Directly meaning on the same line like this. As the square of x. Square of x meaning it is like this. Isn't it? This is x squared. So square of x. And inversely as z. Inversely as z. Have you seen? Like this. Inversely in meaning that over z. Over z. So meaning that this is what they are talking about. For us to find the k, which is not here, we need to interpret this. You need to understand that if we change this symbol for varies, it goes with equals and a k. So this is to tell you that y is equal to, you put a k. This varies, we put equals and a k. Then we've got x squared on top over z down. So this is now the equation that we are going to be using. Quickly, we find the value of k using the values that are given there. Y is 2. So y2, which is equal to, k is the one we are looking for, multiplied by x, which is 4. So 4 squared over z, which is 24, like this. This is paper 1. We don't use calculators. Here we cross multiply. This is same as 2 times 24. This is 48, which is equal to. Then we've got this is 4 times 4, 16. So we've got 16 what? 16k. Where we divide both sides by 16. 16 here, even there are 16. This and this cancelled. So we are going to have k, which is equal to, how many times does 16 go into 48? This is what? 3 times. So k is 3. This is it. So k is 3. This is the value for k, which is 3. So the value for k is 3. There you say k is equal to what? 3. We found k is 3. Meaning that we can substitute in this particular equation. So we are going to have the equation y is equal to k. We know that it is 3. So we say 3x squared over z. This is now the equation that we are going to be using to answer any given question. So I can love this part that is here, isn't it? I think you've gotten the concept. So we've answered the value for k. This is the k that we are going to be using. Each time you are dealing with variations, you always get to find the value of k. So find the value of y when x is 9 and z 27. So simple, isn't it? So we just substitute. We are answering B. So these are solutions. We are answering now question B. So we are given this equation. This is y is equal to 3x squared over z. They are telling us to say find the value of y when x is 9. So y is equal to what? 3, then x is 9. So 9 squared. Then we say this is what we are going to say. Then z is 27. Obviously, this is equal to what? 3 times z. So 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81 over what? 27, like this. So this is it. So where we are now going to say that y is now equal to, so we say, okay, how do we answer something like this? How do we answer? So 3 there, it is 1. 3 there, it is 9. Have you seen? 9 into 81. It goes there how many times? 9 times. Have you seen 9 into 81? 9 times. So there 1, there 9. 1 times 9, it is just 9. So y is 9. This is how you answer it. I'm not saying that this is how you are supposed to be answering. No. The way we get to manipulate numbers gets to differ. But by the end of the day, we need to arrive at the same answer. So y is 9. We go to C. The value of x when y is 9. So y, same equation, this same one. So when y is 9 and z 6, so 3x squared, z 6, I put a 6. This is what I'm coming up with. I do what? Here now, I need to multiply. If I want, I can cancel out these things. So if I want, if I say, I can say 3 there, 1. 3 there, 2. I can do that if I want. But if I go that way, you discover that the answer is going to be what? The answer will be manipulated, and in most cases, you can make a mistake. It's better you just say over 1, then you cross multiply here. Have you seen? This one goes with that one. We cross multiply. So this is what? What is 9 times 6? So 9 times 6, that is 57, isn't it? We are going to have 57, which is equal to 3x squared, like that. Then over what? Over 3, even here over 3. So this is what, so have you seen here, y is what? 8. So here supposed to be 8 there. So I'm multiplying, so it's supposed to be 8. I guess I've not confused anyone. It is supposed to be like this. Have you seen? Let me do it. Find the value of x when y is 8. So y 8, not in the 9 that I wrote, which is equal to 3x squared over z is 6. The z is 6, so it is supposed to be like this. This is how it is supposed to be. So 3 there, 1. 3 there, 2. 2 times 6, 2 times 8, 16, which is equal to, then here it's just 1 times x squared, that is x squared. Have you seen? If you get something like this, you introduce the square root here, even there the square root. This square root goes with that too. So meaning that x is equal to square root of any number, you get of 2 answers. You say 4 or x is equal to -4. So these are the answers. Square root of 4 is 2 or -2. So that is how you need to be answering questions. So this is a question, and I guess you've seen how I've answered this. If you are looking for tuitions or someone who wants help in mathematics, science, biology, English, RE 2046, I'm here to help you. I gave this question to the people under my teachings. So if you want to be part, this is the number you need to contact. You WhatsApp me on this particular number. I'm here to help you get the distinction that you want to get in an easy way. So WhatsApp me on this number. I will help you. I do run some tuitions online, so I can help you at an affordable fee, and you get a distinction, a merit that you want. So this is where we are going to end from. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends. This is a public video. Thank you so much.